Once upon a time, in a land far away, there lived a young man named Jack who longed for adventure. One day, his wish came true when he received a letter from a mysterious stranger, inviting him on a journey to find a hidden treasure on a distant island. Jack eagerly accepted the challenge and set off on his journey. As he traveled through treacherous mountains, scorching deserts, and raging storms at sea, he encountered all sorts of danger. He battled giant spiders and great octopus, fought off fierce dragons, and outsmarted cunning pirates. But nothing could stop Jack from his quest. He was determined to find the treasure, and nothing would stand in his way. Finally, after long months of traveling, Jack reached the island with large dark trees. He started his journey further and he walked inside the forest. He walked for days in that dense forest, and there he found a large ancient temple. He was amazed by the view he saw, and he quickly ran inside the temple. There he found the treasure, a chest filled with sparkling gold and precious jewels. But just as he was about to claim his prize, the ground beneath him began to shake, and he heard a loud rumbling noise. He realized too late that the island was actually a massive, active volcano that was about to erupt. Jack raced with all his energy to escape, barely making it off the island alive with the treasure in his bag. When he returned back his village, everyone was hailing him as a hero and celebrated throughout the land. However, it was soon discovered that the treasure was cursed, and anyone who touched it would be doomed to a life of misfortune. People in his village started getting ill, and some of them died due to some mysterious reasons because of that curse. So he decided to put back the treasure in the same place. Determined to lift the curse and right his wrong, Jack set off on another journey. He traveled back to that ancient temple where he returned the treasure to its rightful place. And as the curse was lifted, Jack returned home a wiser and more experienced adventurer, living out the rest of his life in peace and contentment. But one thing was disturbing him a lot, that who was that mysterious person who sent him that letter? He wanted to know that person, so he again prepared and started his adventurous journey.